Are you thinking about getting a tattoo but not sure where to start? What if there was an app that could design unique tattoo patterns, let you try them on virtually, and even create custom designs using AI? In today's video, I'll be reviewing the AI Tattoo Generator app for iOS, a game changer for tattoo enthusiasts. From virtual try-ons to AR-based fitting, this app has it all. So if you're curious about how it works, stick around. I'll walk you through everything. You can find the download link for this app below in the video description. Alternatively, you can search for it directly on the App Store. Once you've installed the app on your phone, open it and you'll see an interface like this. Here, you'll see several options on the screen. Text, AI Tattoo, Magic AI Tattoo, Tattoo AR Preview, and Turn Portrait into Tattoo. Let's start by talking about the first option, Text AI Tattoo. With the Text AI Tattoo option, you can generate any type of tattoo you want. Here, you simply describe the tattoo design you're looking for, what style or theme you have in mind. Below that, you can choose the placement, selecting which body part you want the tattoo to be designed for. Additionally, you'll see a variety of styles available. Pick the one that matches your preference. Once you're ready, click the Create button and the app will start generating your tattoo. Just give it a moment to process. As you can see, the app has generated an incredible tattoo based on my prompt. You can easily download this design and use it. If you're not satisfied, you also have the option to regenerate it. Additionally, the app provides related tattoo styles below, which you can explore and use as well. It's a fantastic way to find or customize your perfect tattoo. By following these simple steps, you can generate any type of tattoo you want. Now let me show you a few more examples by creating some additional tattoos. The great thing is, you can place these tattoos on any body part or even preview them on paper to see how they'll look. Here, you'll find a wide variety of styles to choose from. Simply select the style you like, and the app will generate a tattoo based on your choice. Alternatively, you can also use one of the pre-made tattoos available in the app. This flexibility makes it easy to find or customize the perfect design for your needs. Next, let's move on to the Magic AI Tattoo option. Here, you can generate tattoos specifically for any body part, such as your back, arm, chest, or leg, and preview how they'll look when placed. This feature makes it super easy to visualize the design before committing. Additionally, there are plenty of styles available, including blackwork, American, tribal, minimalism, geometry, and more. Simply choose the style that suits you best and let the app do its magic. For example, if you're planning to get a tattoo on a specific body part and want to see how it will look, you can simply take a picture of that body part and save it on your phone. Then, select any tattoo style from the app, upload your saved picture, and place the tattoo on it. Within moments, you'll see the result. This way, you can get a clear idea of how the tattoo will look on your body before getting it done. Next, we have the AR Preview option. This feature allows you to use your camera to place any tattoo in real time on any surface or body part. You can instantly see how the tattoo will look in the exact spot you're considering. It's a great way to visualize your tattoo placement before making a decision. After that, we have the Discover option. Here, you can explore trending tattoos across various categories. You'll find a wide range of designs that you can preview and check out in detail. Once you've found a tattoo you like, you can download it and use it as inspiration for your own tattoo or even get it inked on your body. So, if you're a tattoo lover, this app is an absolute must-try. It's packed with amazing features, to help you design and visualize your dream tattoo effortlessly. You'll find the download link for this app in the description below, so be sure to check it out and give it a try.